further to fall. Ghost town and haunted love. Raise your voice. Sticks and stones may break my bones. Talking loud, not saying much.
Je vous souhaite tous la bienvenue ici au Sofitel et on vous assure que nous sommes très honorés de votre présence parmi nous. On est tous réunis ici pour le grand lancement de la marque de vêtements de riche Toufan-Hiram. Personne dévouée et surtout passionnée de la mode, elle vous mettra plein la vue, n'est-ce pas? Sur ce, je vous souhaite encore une fois une excellente soirée en enchaînant avec le discours de bienvenue de Monsieur Anil Toufan-Hiram.
We are pleased and honoured to have in our presence Lady Sarojini Jugnauth and Australian Ambassador Susan Cole. Today marks our very first launch of our clothing collection, and we are very proud to be able to host it here today at Sofitel Hotel for all of you. Firstly, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Anil Toufan-Hiram, an entrepreneur, a property developer, as well as a co-founder of Ella Boutique. My wife, Rish Toufan-Hiram, is the backbone of the retail outlet known as Ella Boutique, and is the main reason for its success. Things have developed positively further since her personal intervention with the business in bringing it where it is today. Rish Toufan-Hiram, being a fashionista and having a strong passion for clothes, got her inspiration from both Western and Eastern wear, which was aided by living on both sides of the water. Hence, her fusion wear was born. She decided to develop and create her own unique style to be aimed for all types of people from various backgrounds. This was from overwhelming demand from clients looking for clothing that would stand out from the rest. All the clothes under the designer name you are about to see were designed by her own creativity and her unique touch. All the hand-selected fabrics and versions that are in vogue today were assembled by her team of talented tailors in India to ensure the utmost quality and finishing is maintained throughout. We will be demonstrating our first catwalk, followed by light entertainment, and lastly our second catwalk show. We hope that you enjoy the show as much as we enjoyed creating it. Just before we get started, I would like to express my gratitude to all of you who so generously helped us make this event come together, namely Renika Sanasi, our events coordinator, and also our collaborators for whom made it possible. they are the makeup artist Aisha Arif, Prima hairstylist, Vase Collection Jewelry, Joni Entertainment, VK Photographer, Swad TV Productions, JR Cosmetics, 3D Box 3D Graphic Designers, and last but not least, Air Mauritius Holidays, and not forgetting our 11 lovely models. Without wasting any more time, ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you the premiere launch of Rish Tufaniram's new clothing label, Rish T. Thank you. And then I'll just pass it on to Brandon. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup, Monsieur Anil Tufaniram. En tout cas, on espère que vous passez un bon début de soirée. Et voilà, c'est dévoilé la marque des vêtements de Madame Rish Tufaniram. Et en tout cas, nous, on espère que vous allez aimer cette soirée. Voici la première sortie avec les vêtements de Rish T.
guest and coming today and to be part for my launch of Rishti. Rishti is Rish and the T is to Veneram and the dot, the Bindi, me. So it took me quite a long time to design those outfits. It was not easy, first of all, because being a fashionist and a shop owner, this is the first time I'm putting myself toward in the shoes of a designer. And I hope everybody has enjoyed, like my collection. This is my first. Hopefully there will be more coming. And this is why I'm here with a special people that close to me, friends, to be part of my first launch. All the collection you see will be available in the shop. You can order, start getting yourself to order. But there will be more. There will be more collection. But I would like to thank dearly all the collaborators who make it possible. And there are Aisha, my makeup artist, with her talented and magic brush. And with Tom, we got Brandon and Manishma being there for me. Cars jewelry, for the lovely jewelry you can see from the handpiece, and we all are here. And I'm very, very happy and honored to be part of my show today. And unfortunately, this is it. I know the evening is nearly over. It was a very short, small and niche evening. And I would like to we will carry on with some more refreshment and some desserts will be available. And enjoy the party and be at ease. Thank you for coming again. Thank you.
That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my head. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my head. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. Baby, I like your style. Oh, I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. All that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting. We've got no time, that's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my head. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my head. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. Tell me now, I need to know. Where do you wanna go? 'Cause if you're down, I'll take it slow. Make you lose control.